Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm actually talking about a new monthly subscription in the UK. This is from an indie brand called Shadow Moon Cosmetics and they do pigments, fine glitters and chunky glitters. So they have recently, well I think, this is May's and I'm pretty sure it started in March. I will double check that. But they have recently started doing a subscription every month which is called the Kitty Klub, both spelled with a K. And it's £10 plus posting and packaging, which is £2 I want to say. And it's delivered to your door and you get exclusive products. These are products that are not going to be seen for general sale on their site. So I thought it'd be good to do a video each month when I get mine through. Just an FYI, I do have a discount code with Shadow Moon Cosmetics, but I did purchase this. The discount code is non-affiliated or anything like that. Every now and again I will get PR sent, but this is bought with my own money. So I thought I'd do a look with it. What do you think? I didn't use actually, do you know what, I was going to put some chunky glitter on the inner corner and totally forgot. Damn it, we'll have to do that next time. So I didn't use all of them. I tried to and then I just didn't like the way it was looking, so I started again. But this is, let me just get them the right way around. Woo! Right, so these are the pigments that were in May's. The theme for May's was happiness because of everything that's going on in the world. The CEO, owner, creator wanted to do something just to bring a bit of joy to your life. So my fave chunky glitter is called Happy. I was meant to put it on my inner corner and I totally forgot. It's like a greeny yellow colour. It's so beautiful. And then the next chunky glitter, which is also another fave, is called Cloud 9. And it's like a turquoise silver. It's beautiful. And then the fine glitter is called Euphoria, and I have got it on the outer where the orange meets the purple. It's got like a stamp of glitter there, and so it's like a purple with silver reflex. Ever so stunning, just beautiful. And then there's another fine glitter which is called Bliss. This is a stunning, it's like a blue-green. Oh, that's showing. It's ever so pretty. And then finally you got a pigment which is this gorgeous pastel orange which I've got on my lid. Absolutely stunning. So if you would like to see how I did this, please keep on watching.
Hi guys, so I'm going in with the Lois Cosmetics Gone Rogue palette and I'm taking the deepest purple in the palette, which is called Nonconformist. I'm pretty sure I ain't got the palette in front of me. And I am creating the shape that I want and just slowly packing that colour. This is a very, very good purple. I'm not giving it the best look right now because I'm taking my time to get my shape right and trying to match my eyes, to be honest. But it is a very good palette. I highly recommend it. It's a little indie brand in the UK. Anyway, moving on, you can just see that I'm getting the shape. I'm using a small pencil brush, which is from Peaches. I then move in to the pink in the palette. I can't remember the name of it, sorry. And another Peaches brush, but a bit more fluffy. And I'm going to place that above the purple and then slowly start to blend it together and deepen it, as you can see with me doing it right now. And then I go backwards and forwards between the two brushes, so you will see in a sec I go back in with the purple and I wiggle in between those colours meeting just to blend them together nicely. I've noticed recently with my looks I'm struggling to see, so hopefully I can still keep blending. I'm then going in with the white from the September Rolls Slush 2 palette to blend on top of that pink. It just softens the pink edge without changing the colour. So it's a neat little trick, that. I then go in with the Clinique Take the Balm Off cleansing balm and my Kitco. It's actually a cut crease brush and I use that to create the line that I want, and then I use a pair of tweezers to get that sharp edge and a wet wipe just to wipe it away, but it's not as harsh on your skin than just using wet wipes alone. Neat little trick. And then go in with my concealer, to neaten up the actual cut. Obviously, I also provide a tacky base for my pigment to go on top of. So as you can see, I'm just patting this out, and then I use a buffing concealer brush just to make sure there's no harsh edges and everything's blended. I then go in with that dark purple just to smooth out the outer edge, so it's all nice and neat, ready for the pigment. Again, beautiful pigment. So this is Joy from the Kitty Klub. It's absolutely stunning, a gorgeous pastel orange, and I just had to use it. So I'm using a Molly O'Brien Jim Bob brush to pack that on my lid, basically everywhere the concealer is. It's such a stunning shade. I then go in with the purple again, just to blend those two together. And now I'm taking the Fine Glitter Euphoria, and I'm going to place that where the purple and the orange meet. So first I pack on some glitter glue, and then I go in, I mean, look how stunning it is, and place that glitter on my outer crease cut thing. I then put some Zoeva, I can't remember the pencil's called, but I know it's a black pencil by Zoeva, it's absolutely amazing, in my waterline, and buff it with a flat brush under my lashes, which I will then go on top of with the purple shadow again and buff it out with that wee pencil brush after I've packed it on. I then go in with the pink again and just buff that under. I do go in with the white again as well, but that's not after I've done like my foundation and stuff, so you don't really see it here, but it's just to soften the edges more than anything. And then that is the finished look. If you check my Instagram when I post this, it'll probably tell you what lashes I'm wearing, because I cannot bloody remember. But I know I had a bitch trying to get them stick on the inner corner. But yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you've enjoyed it.
So guys, that is the finished look. What did you think? I'm really happy with how this look turned out. I will be doing another video using this collection just so that you can see the rest of the colours, because I only really used 2. I was meant to use more, but it is what it is. So if you'd like to check out the Kitty Klub with Shadow Moon Cosmetics, I will leave all the details down below. If you want to check out any of their other products, I will leave my code, which is just Bex15. Like I say, it's not affiliated, and it's only off the single items. You can't get discount off the bundles, the Kitty Klub, or the mystery bag. But they're so affordable anyway, you don't even need a discount on them. So yeah, thank you ever so much for watching. Do let me know what you think down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!